Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about adding decimals. Now, it's really important when you're adding decimals that you're lining up your decimal, because the only way we can add, just like in fractions, is if we have a common denominator or a common place. Our ones add with our ones, our tens add with our tens, our tenths add with our tenths, and our hundredths add with our hundredths. So when we're doing this, the most important thing is to line up our decimal. So, if you notice in this case, in the problem I gave you, my decimals were already lined up. So, here we go. Now, here's something I like to do. Well, I find it difficult to add when there's nothing right there. You can think of it as nothing, or you can literally write nothing, meaning 0. You can add that 0 because 20 hundredths is the same as 2 tenths. Remember, 20 hundredths can reduce to being 2 tenths. They're the same thing. So I can add a 0 to make these two decimals have common place values. And now adding is much easier. All I have to do is add like I would normally do, but that decimal place will continue to move on. So we bring down our decimal. 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. My decimal place is carried down. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 5 plus 2 is 7. That's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's do another one. In this time, I'm not going to have it lined up for you. In fact, I'm going to write 21 plus 41 and 28 hundredths. So, what do I need to do to add these two decimals? If you said that's not a decimal, you're right. But remember, we can write it as a decimal, putting an invisible decimal place. So let's rewrite this lining it up. 21 plus 41 and 28 hundredths. I lined up my ones. So if you're ever confused, you can line up your ones values. Now, there is an invisible decimal point right there. And just like we were able to add a 0 to make it hundredths, we can add 2 zeros. After the decimal points, we can add as many zeros as we want because it means the exact same thing. So 0, 0. And we just add like we normally would. 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 2 is 2. Bring down my decimal. Don't forget to bring it down. That's the most important thing. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 4 is 6. That's it. Let me know if you need any help. I'm sure you're going to do a great job on your independent work. Bye.